friends, this is Ravindra Shende from Tulsiramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. And today I am going to discuss about the important topic of the entropy. What is entropy? The entropy is used mostly in engineering thermodynamics. In the last lecture we already discussed about the basic concept of the classes inequalities. The classes inequalities is nothing but it is a cyclic integrations of the dk over the t is less than equals to the 0. This is given by the Clausius. Like this. Now I will discuss about the entropy. This one is the entropy. It is a very important topic. What is entropy? The entropy is made by the two different words. First one is the En and second one is the tropy. This tropy means is nothing but it is a transformations. This one is a transformations like this. The exact definitions of the entropy is a just look at here first. This one is ice. This one is an ice cube. This is the ice cube, like this. Ice cube. Now, the sum amount of the heat will be supplied. When the sum amount of the heat will be supplied, keep ice. Definitely, the disorderness and randomness of the change of these molecules means अगर ये मॉलिक्यूल्स एक जगह पे थे, अगर यहाँ से हमने हीट अप करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, हीट देना स्टार्ट कर दिया, मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. मॉलिक्यूल्स में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं मतलब उसका डिसऑर्डरनेस और उसका रेंडमनेस सडनली इंप्रूव हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस आइस क्यूब इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू दिस आफ्टर सम टाइम इन द वाटर लाइक दिस. दिस इज अ वाटर और H2O. Also heat will be supplied for the water and it is also change the phase in the term of the vapor. It will be converted into the vapor. That means this is disorderness and randomness will be changed, the phase will be changed. Again disorderness and randomness will be changed, again phase will be changed. Means the entropy is nothing but a measurement of disorderness and randomness of the molecules. Yeah, disorderness, yeah, entropy is a measurement of degree of disorderness or randomness of the molecules. Is known as the entropy. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, एंट्रोपी बोलते हैं. तो एंट्रोपी मीन्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाइक दिस. ये क्या हो रहा है, एक तरीके से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, फेस का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. इट इज नॉट एज अ एंट्रोपी. नाउ फॉर द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस dq over the t is equals to the 0 for the रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. ये रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस के लिए आया था फ्रॉम द क्लासेस इनइक्वालिटीज. यहाँ से मिल गया था हमें कि क्लासेस इनइक्वालिटीज से साइक्लिक इंटीग्रेशंस ऑफ द dq over the t is equals to 0. Now look at here, we have a cycle. This one is a first. ये कोई हमारे पास साइकिल है. This one is 0.1 and this one is a 0.2. अगर मैं कोई पाथ A से जाऊँ, A is a one path and B is another path. And same different cycle, यहाँ पे कोई दूसरी साइकिल है. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे कि साइकिल 1 से मुझे साइकिल 2 पे जाना है, बट मैं कोई डिफरेंट पाथ से रिटर्न आऊँ. A पाथ से गया बट मैं इस C पाथ से आया, लाइक दिस. C पाथ से मैं रिटर्न आया, कुछ इस तरीके से. Now the cycle number 1 here, cycle 1 and cycle 2. Cycle 1, which one? The cycle 1 is 1A2, this is one process, and 2B1 is a second process. 1A2, then 2B1, then 1A2 and 2B1 is a one cycle is completed. Now say 1A2 is a one process and 2C1 is a second process. That means 1A2C1 is a next cycle. Now write this equation in the cycle number 1 and cycle number 2. You can write here. What is this? This one is a dq. Cyclic integrations of the dq over the t. dq over the t means this one is dq over the t for the cycle number 1, 1A2. 1A2 is a process number 1. And you can write the cycle number process number 2. This one is a 2B1. This one is a 2B1. Like this. Is equals to the 0 for the reversible process. One cycle is completed. One cycle कौन सी? एक से दो गया 1A2. Then second process is a 2B1. Another equation is अब मैं 1 से 2 जा रहा हूँ A पाथ से और वापस आ रहा हूँ C पाथ से. अभी तक हम B पाथ से वापस आए थे. तो same you can write dq over the t 1A2 plus dq over the t now 2C1. I want to calculate the entropy is a point function or entropy is a path function. Look at here. From the equations number 1 and equations number 2, you can simplify these equations. This term and this term is a cancel out because same path will be go. Now dq over the t, this one is a 2b1 minus dq over the t, this one is a 2c1 is equals to the 0. That means you can write this dq over the t 2b1 is equals to the dq over the t, this one is a 2c1. You can see here this one is the b path and this one is the c path. B path and C path are not equals. That means path are the difference. ये अगर dq by t है तो b path से जा रहा है, ये dq by t है तो ये c path से आ रहा है. Path are the difference. That means the entropy is not a path function. So entropy is what function? The entropy is which functions? Now here point number 2, point number 1. Here point number 2, point number 1. That are the point are the same. That means the entropy is a point function. That means entropy is a point function, not a path function. And this point function is known as, this point function is known as a entropy. इसी point functions को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसी point functions को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Entropy बोलते हैं. No doubt the heat transfer is a path function. No doubt the heat work transfer is a path function. But the difference or ratio of the heat transfer to the temperature at which the heat is going to be transferred is not a path function, it is a point function. So entropy is a point function, entropy is not a path function. No doubt the heat transfer is a point function, no doubt the work transfer is a point function, but the ratio of the heat transfer and the absolute temperature which is going to be heat transfer is a point function. That means the entropy is a point function. Look it here, and this is the whole concept of the entropy and reversible for the point functions. Okay.